No.
No.
I mean, he slowed down.
We may have someone coming to get it. There may be a person. No. He almost ran it over though.
Yeah.
Wait for somebody to run it over now.
Yeah, he almost ran it over. Here comes the supervisor. I think they're gonna get it. And no. The guy. That's funny. All right, another supervisor van. Somebody. Oh, he's coming. He's gonna get it. Oh! That's pretty funny.
When you go to track my bag on the app, they won't say left on tarmac.
Yeah. Oh wait, it's gonna stop.
Yeah.
Come on, I need someone to run. I need someone to run over it.
No. You just want to confirm there was a bag there.
So funny.
Wow.
Come on, someone's gonna run over it.
That'd be funny right now if you see the EOD team just show up here.
This might be the guy.
Yeah.
No. Let's see.
These two are so
Yeah. Maybe that's the procedure. You leave it there and then.
Okay, let's see. The catering truck may take it. No. Huh? There are no Good Samaritans on the ramp today.
Yeah. It's not a whole lot either, I think.
Here we go, right here.
I feel like I need to call someone. Oh look,
Yeah.
someone's coming in a car.
Thank you.
I think this is the one we've been waiting for. Let's zoom in a little. No! Oh my god, that's funny. I know, it's like-
And then when we jump in the van and we took off, it's like Grand Prix.
So sad, right? Just so sad. Come on, somebody, anybody. Wait, he slows down. No. Thank you.
Gen Z.
Yeah, right.
Gen Z era.
Wait, someone to stop. No.
My grandma's been sitting on the runway, taxiway for the last 6 hours.
Fire department is gonna come
It's
get
not a
it.
great sign.
Dude, you guys can save the day. It's not a cat, but you can get it.
Watch him come.
The fire truck left you.
Hose it down.
Yeah.
Oh look, that guy may pick it up. No. It's about 20 or 30 vehicles that passed it without picking it up.
It's been a solid 11:23. Like a solid 15 minutes now.
Oh yeah. It's been good entertainment.
Oh yeah. Oh look, there's one guy coming to get it now. Yay! Woohoo!
The moment.
The guy, the hero. He's just gonna leave it though. Oh, the guy, he took it.
Wow.
Meanwhile, the person's in baggage claim yelling and screaming.
I'm glad we got some closure in that.
Yeah.
We should probably head there today.
Yeah.
Right. We need more entertainment though. This didn't last long
It was
enough.
a pleasure watching that unfold with you.
Oh, that's funny.